Kaiser's single movement stations are very valuable. I absolutely love functional training, but there's a time and a place where we have to get people stronger, and we do use a lot of the single movement stations. In the single movement stations, what you're going to find is the same Kaiser technology. When you see the 2 cylinders on each machine, it allows us to train unilaterally, bilaterally, and alternating. So very powerful things to do. It allows us not only to develop more power specifically to that movement, but allows us also to utilize the single movement stations with complexes. That we may do something very heavy in another area, we may come over here and do things very dynamic and very elastic. We may want to also just focus on particular movements of the upper back, of the chest press, of going through and getting the Kaiser squat, which is one of the best pieces for total body power that we have. You can also start to look at how do we utilize this in rehabilitation or just people that we want to performance train that may be limited by an injury at the particular point. As an example, if I have somebody who has a boot on, we can do a lot of things to get that person better while they're going through their rehab. And as we do that, we may utilize different pieces to help them continue to get their body to develop, both in unrelated areas and in related areas to keep some type of muscle mass and neurological stimulation. And by doing different types of circuits, we can actually get into positive growth hormone releases through the different parts of the machine, so it accelerates the rehab of that involved limb by training the uninvolved limbs. So it's a very versatile line. It really helps to also do the circuit training, metabolic training, and again, just a great resource to add to the core fundamental parts of the functional trainer, the performance trainer, and the power rack.